Tom's Car Wash. What's going on here? Jerry and Marley seem to be watching someone. Whoa! Where did Katie come from? Over the bridge? Looks like it's Jerry's turn now. Whoa! So that's how she did it. This is going to be easy for you, Marley. Amazing! He jumped right over them. Uh-oh, what was that? Oh no, Marley. Look at the state of you. You sure need a wash. You don't care about being dirty? Well, it looks like you're going to need Tom's help anyway, so you might as well go to his car wash. Hey, Tom. Tom, Marley's in trouble. Can you come to the bridge? Chill out, Marley. Tom will be here any moment. Thanks for coming, Tom. See you at the car wash, Marley, whether you like it or not. Tom needs to cut that pondweed so you can drive again. But you'll need a rinse first, Marley. What's wrong? You'd rather be racing down hills? Then you're going to like this more than you think. Go on. It's a water jet slide. Here he comes. Was that fun? Told you. Now, time for Tom to get that pondweed off you. To the salon. Hey, Tom. Ready to start cutting? They look like they'll do the job. How are things looking, Tom? The pondweed is gone, but he's still covered in slime? Sorry, Marley, but you're going to have to take a bath before you can go anywhere. You stay here while Tom prepares it. That looks relaxing. Time to fetch Marley. Oh dear, here comes one very unhappy monster truck. Hey, you're smiling. Looks as though you like being in the bath. Well, take your time. There's a lot of slime to come off of you. Marley, it's time to get out now. You want to stay in the bath now? Sorry, but Tom has another customer after you. Perhaps the drying machine will cheer you up again before you go. Tom says you can go back to your friends and show them more tricks now. Well, there's a first time for everything. Who'd have thought you, of all cars, Marley, would prefer to stay clean for the day? Good job, Tom. Not only have you cleaned Marley up, but you've made him love bath time, too. Tom's Car Wash. Hey, Steve. You're doing a great job making all the roads in Car City nice and smooth. What's the matter? There's sticky tar all over your roller? Oh, dear. We'd better head to Tom's Car Wash and get you cleaned up. Oh, dear, Steve. Look at the mess you're making. Behind you. Let's get Tom out here quick. Hey, Tom. Steve is covered in sticky black tar. Can you help him clean up? You can? Awesome. Let's go inside. What's first, Tom? The water jet? Okay, let's start it up. A water jet for removing the top coat of dust and dirt. What's wrong? You don't think cold water will wash off all that sticky tar? Well, do you have another idea? Hot water? Great idea. Let's see if it works. Shall we use soap, too? What kind? Extra strong? Close your eyes, Steve. You don't want to get soap in them. You can open them now. Are you ready for the rest of the car wash? You are? Okay, let's go. Now for the brushes. How's that looking, Tom? You think we should scrub Steve harder? Okay, Tom, go for it. Don't worry, Steve. Tom's just making sure we get rid of all that sticky tar. Wow, Steve, I've never seen you look so clean. Is it time to go back to work? Great job, Tom. Watch out for the tar. Wow, that was close. See you soon, Steve. Thanks, Tom. See you next time. Tom's Car Wash. Hi, Dane. Whoa, you look so dirty. Did you just finish a big demolition job? Better get over to Tom's Car Wash to get cleaned up. Hi, Tom. Painting a new sign for your car wash? It looks great. Dane is a little bit dirty, Tom. Actually, he is very dirty. What's first, Tom? A water jet for removing the top coat of dust and dirt. There, that did the trick. That's a good start. What's next, Tom? The windshield? Good idea. It's amazing that Dane could even see coming over here. There, that did the trick. Time for some serious shower gel, Dane. Okay, time to get rid of the dust once and for all. Now it's time for sponges, right, Tom? Feels good, doesn't it, Dane? Like a massage. Time to rinse off those bubbles. Time to switch on the dryers. Is that it, Tom? Have you finished cleaning Dane? Good idea. A little polish would be nice. Wow, Dane, you look awesome. Stay right there, Dane. You just drove through paint. Tom needs to get his bucket. Whew. It didn't have time to dry. You look great, Dane. Thanks, Tom, for everything. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Hey, Susie. Where are you going with that pretty box? You're going to Tom's paint shop? You're going to become a unicorn? I'm sure Tom hasn't forgotten, Susie. He'll be in his paint shop just around the corner. There, Susie. See? Tom is here. Hey, Tom. You can release your trailer now, Susie. Oh, Susie, the goggles aren't part of your unicorn makeover. They're to protect your eyes. You're right, Tom. It's time to choose some paint. Peach is a great color for a unicorn. You want to add some sparkles? Nice idea, Tom. That sparkly varnish looks like it'll do the job. And you'll be able to apply the sparkles quickly with that big paintbrush. Do you want pink wheel covers, Susie? That's one wheel done. 2, 3, and 4. What is it, Tom? You think there's something missing? You're right, Tom. This could be marvelous. There you go. Do you like it, Susie? Susie has brought a few accessories. So that's what was in the box you brought with you. There's more. And there's one final detail to add. Of course, a unicorn needs a horn. What do you think, Susie? Are you happy? Thanks, Tom. You've done another great paint job. Here she is, Susie the Unicorn. Tom's Paint Shop. Hi, Tom. Getting ready for another busy day of painting? Look who it is, Penny. Hi, Penny. You look so excited to be painted today. Have you chosen a character? A beautiful fairy? That's awesome. The first step is to protect your eyes. skin color paint. Good choice. Pink paint. This one looks really good. Cute little skirt. You look very cute, Penny. Fairy wings. What are you looking for now, Tom? Every fairy needs a magic wand. A pretty crown flower. Wow, fairy dust to make Penny sparkle. Wow. What a beautiful fairy princess you are, Penny. Good job, Tom. Bye, everyone. See you next time.